than anyone I've seen you with before. So talk to me, tell me about all your insecurities, and I'm trying to make you see what I see. You're happier than I've ever seen you. It's true love, don't fake it. You better not, you better not. It's right here, don't waste it. You better not, you better not. Don't say you can't figure it out, figure it out. I know you can't figure it out, figure it out. It's true love, don't waste it. You better not, you better not. You better not. Don't overthink it. Let it go and try just to feel it. You know I didn't feel your healing. From every I see it, I see it.
Because music, as an art form, is essentially playful. We say you play the piano. You don't work the piano. One doesn't make the end of a composition the point of the composition. If that were so, the best conductors would be those who played fastest. And there would be composers who wrote only finales. We've got a system of schooling which gives a completely different impression. First grade leads to second grade and so on, and then you get out of grade school, you've got high school, and it's revving up, the thing is coming. Then you're going to go to college, and by Jove, then you get into graduate school, and when you're through with graduate school, you go out to join the world. And all the time, the thing is coming. It's coming, it's coming, that great thing, the success you're working for. Then when you wake up one day about 40 years old, you say, my God, I've arrived. I'm there. And you don't feel very different from what you always felt.
I know you can't figure it out, figure it out. It's true love, don't waste it. Don't say you can't figure it out, figure it out. You better not, you better not.
Good shot, great shot.
You better not. You better not. It's true love, don't fake it. You better not, you better not. It's right here, don't waste it. You better not. It's true love, don't fake it. You better not, you better not. It's right here, don't waste it. You better.
We thought of life by analogy with a journey, with a pilgrimage, which had a serious purpose at the end, and the thing was to get to that end. But we missed the point the whole way along. It was a musical thing, and you were supposed to sing or to dance. Existence is musical. It is not serious.